quick 30. We're here just like last year. We do have Andy's truck here today to do some hits. We're gonna try to see if we can beat his best of 8.9. All right, here we go. We got Andy coming up. What lane's he getting in? He needs to be in the right lane.
Ryan McLean.
How do you feel about it?
Powerglide car.
Yeah?
Called Betty White.
They'll be all right.
Tuned by Matt Sorian.
That's turned down, baby. Yeah, that's turned down. Yeah, I thought it was more aggressive.
Have an issue, maybe leaking something, and we don't want to drag it all the way down the drag strip.
How's it feel to be sub 8-second car?
I feel like I belong here.
Huh?
I just feel like I belong here. See this guy?
8.3, man. 8.3.
Whatever lane you're in.
Not bad.
Stop. Let us make
I'm a little shocked, to be honest with you. I was expecting an 8.4, but at full tilt.
I was expecting 8.7.
Yeah.
Shut down the turn roads.
So I'm a little shocked.
Myself
Pleasantly surprised.
No, it's not even like, not even coming in hard or nothing.
Yeah.
So
nice.
Remember, left lane is for hard tires.
I'm gonna talk to him and see if I can get that no time off.
yeah, that's what I want.
We appreciate everybody coming out here too. The Texas Quick 30 brought to you by Texas.
8.3, like I said, I was not expecting that at all. I was fully expecting that an 8.4, but at full tilt. This was the first pass that we made. We didn't turn it all the way up. We kind of put it in the middle level. It still got a lot more to go. So, man, we got a competitor for sure. We'll see how far we can get today. Everything's looking good. He does have a small issue where it likes to turn off after the burnout. We're trying to figure that out, but it's not hurting anything. It's just kind of inconvenient. What's up?
Not a
Quick 30.
You're gonna make big eyes.
You know, but that's
Yeah.
Quick 30. We made it, huh?
A meme.
Yeah, yeah. I'll probably screenshot it.
Yeah.
Do something with it.
Pretty well.
What's the plan? What's the plan today?
Go fast. Go really fast. I gotta put the neck restraint on first.
All right, looks like we had a little bit of a failure, so they're gonna try to get it fixed up, get back out.
Well, it might be a blessing in disguise that the first pass messed up. And didn't get transmission fluid under the tires. So.
If anybody's wondering, this is Miss Vanessa, owner of the SMR car. Are you frustrated at all that it's not going pretty good?
It's trial and error.
Yes.
If anything, I'm happy that we're at the track. And
Yes, yes.
I mean, that's the whole
I mean,
point.
that's the whole part of a new setup. You know, you gotta work the kinks out. There's always gonna be kinks no matter what.
Yep, that's right.
So at this
Texas
event,
Quick 30.
there is a
Shirts and
domestic
hats.
class, and
Down
basically
here
what
at
they'll do is they'll award a trophy.
tech
They'll award a
check-in
trophy to the fastest
Raptor.
domestic car. Right now, the Rat Rod is sitting at number 1 with that 8.3 pass. So good for Andy. So that's exciting. Hopefully we can keep it for the rest of the day. We'll have to see. We'll have to play with it and find out. But I think we're gonna be able to get a little faster. So the second place car ran at 8.4. and it's not far behind us. So yeah, hopefully we can keep him at bay so Andy can get that trophy. That would be pretty cool for him.
Again.
McLaren decided not to go for Charbonier.
All right, so come to find out, Andy forgot to turn on the, I mean, we just turned it up a pound anyways, but he still forgot to turn on the ice box. So he ran a lot harder than he usually does, which is bad. But he still was able to click off the same pass. So, oh, and the good news is that it actually did 60.12 too, even though I predicted that it would not. Congratulations, you were right.
700 miles an hour, not bad.
I think he picked his foot up.
Probably either came or moved a little bit.
And my birthing kits were not meant for this.
Yeah, boy. You like Wario inside a go-kart.
I have to be in here to shift it.
This is true. I'm the one that fucking adjusts it. I don't know how to adjust that shit.
Tell Solomon to get under there. I am not getting under this death trap, I'll tell you that right now. You see it? You see it?
Yeah, you see it right there? Yeah, it looks like it's not going all the way that way.
So that's the issue, is this the second, and first is not clicking in. So it needs to click in. So whenever he's hitting the trans brake, it's supposed to lock reverse and first together, and it's not. It's just locked. It doesn't have first, so it's just going backwards. Luckily for Andy, he actually has two competent mechanics that build his car and tune his car. So we'll see. We'll try it first before you get on the trans brake. Make sure it gets on the trans brake before you put ice in it.
Let me go take the tools.
Don't stay on it too long. Just make sure it activates.
Who do I give this to?
Yeah.
Right lane, Josh Passman in the Dodge, the left lane.
He lost first. Yeah.
You know why, right?
Because it's rated for 400 horsepower and we're pushing 1,000 out of it.
It goes
between the gears.
Back in the 2015
No, I don't think so.
No, it's not.
I've seen that happen before.
It's hitting first. Is it moving in first?
Yeah, it moves, but like
as soon as
you gotta give it gas and it's like a late reaction.
Yeah, as soon as you get it, as soon as he hits the trans brake, it just starts immediately backing up. So it doesn't have first.
Not as aggressive to keep it in place.
Yeah, it doesn't have first. It's not locking reverse and first together. We still left on a high. Andy ran an 8.3 twice, so he's officially in the low 8-second club. We already know it makes 1,000 horsepower. If you haven't seen the video, the link is up here. But yeah, that's it for today. We're gonna watch a little bit more Quick 30, but I think we're gonna wrap it up. guess we got some work to do.